You know what hurts the most? Not failing the exam, but knowing you were almost there. You could see the door, you just didn't have the right key.
Hi, I'm Jay. I gave IPMAT twice, failed once, cracked it next time, reached interviews, but didn't get the final call. And now I am at NMIMS Mumbai, but still aiming for IIM. Back in 2022, I gave IPMAT just right after 12. No proper mocks, no plan, just blind hustle. And yeah, it didn't work. That sting, it stayed within me. So I took a different part. I joined a degree course. I pursued PMS with like preparation of IPMAT. Took time, and at that time I went from confused to calculated. I just didn't study harder. I studied smarter. I timed smarter. I built my exam brain, not just my syllabus. In 2023, I cleared a paper. I reached the interview round for IIM Indore, and I thought this is it. But life had one more curveball. I didn't convert the interview. But anyways, now I am at NMIMS, grateful but not done. Because my story doesn't end here. I'm giving CAT this year again, and IIM is still home. And anyways, if you're watching this 5 days before IPMAT, let me show you how to crack the code. Let's go. So one point is less is more, deep is better. Mocks aren't just about performance, they are about pattern recognition. Do only 2 mocks till now, 2 full mocks, but review it like a nerd on caffeine, okay? Like track the fastest solve question, attempt those first. Silly mistakes, yeah, write them, read them, and just beat the shit out of them. And the time wasters, the speed breakers, just avoid them like the bad excess. Yeah. Your goal is to create a D-Day blueprint, not what you say, a roadmap full of surprises. Okay. Then the next point is kill zone, your 20 question arsenal. So every topper, just joking. So every topper has a secret weapon, and this is yours. Make a list of 20 questions, the questions or the topics which you never get wrong. Solve them every day till the exam, and the thing which I am saying you to do this, the reason behind this is because this builds speed, confidence, and rhythm. It's like your mental gym. You're getting it. Okay, so the number 3 point, which none of the teachers or the mentors would like mention this, is make a trigger sheet. Trigger sheet is just 30 seconds to sanity. Okay, so make a paper with 5 dumb mistakes you often make, like rushing, second guessing, and after that, 3 reminders like don't panic, skip if slow, and one question at a time. And like one motivation, like anything like you failed before, but not this time. Yeah, so basically, read it before you sleep, read it before the exam, and this one sheet, it could literally save you from a blackout. And the last point, but not the least, is brain tuning. Like sync with the exam time. Start when you are giving the mocks, sync it with the time of the exam. For example, if the exam is at 9 p.m., from today onwards, train your mind to be active at 9 a.m. Sorry, not p.m. a.m. and start prep at that time. Like shift your sleep accordingly. Light revisions before sleep, no overthinking. Okay, so don't show up half awake to a full speed paper. With 5 days left, you're not preparing anymore, you're just sharpening your blade. Don't try to finish the syllabus, don't panic, don't chase perfection. Instead, lock your weapons, know your moves, and trust your rhythm. Because even if you failed once, you can still rise, right? Just like me. And this time, you walk in prepared. You walk out with an offer. You're getting it. So, yeah, let's do this. IPMAT 2025. Go own it.